Hey guys, so about a month ago, I decided it would be a good idea to buy a go-kart, right? Because I was planning on making a Ferrari F1 Sharknose replica car, which sounds pretty good in forethought, but it's hard. I mean, the thing is, I got the 212 Predator engine on, right? I got the wheels. I even got it all welded together. It was running. Then about a week ago, I figured, hey, why don't I buy a Nibby intake? That'll boost the power, right? Make it seem more real. And then I messed up. Let me show you. Basically, what has happened is I got the whole thing on, right? Which it seems like it should work now, right? I got everything mostly hooked up. And the reason I say mostly is because right as I got it all hooked up, right? When I need to put the throttle cable in, which goes down here, it needed a ball. Alright, so you figure you go on Amazon, buy one, right? Well, the exact size I need is literally impossible to find except on the Nibby website. So I figured, let's go there, right? Okay. Then it's all out of stock. And we placed an order, right? But no messages. It's still out of stock a week later, and I don't know if it's coming back for a while. So I'm not sure if you have any advice for me, but maybe there's something I can find. I don't know.